Cultural heritage is at the root of everything that tourism is about. The reason that we travel is to connect with ourselves, with other people, and also with our past.
Most of the tourism across the world is in one way or another connected to some kind of heritage, natural heritage, cultural heritage, national World Heritage Sites.
In the US, that's a big thing because there are very few of us that started here as members of this community. So we might go and see where our family came from originally, but it also has to do with the heritage and the connectivity to cultural items and things that we enjoy where we live. So cultural heritage becomes this nugget of glue that attracts us to a place where we can expand our knowledge and our experiences and open our minds and our hearts more about why we're there.
When you preserve a World Heritage Site which is of interest for the tourist, what happens after the conservation, more and more visitors find out about these places. So they come back and see the new sites that have been resurrected to its original looks.
Tourism financial benefits allow governments and cities to preserve and restore and conserve their natural and cultural heritage.
The tourism can benefit cultural heritage, and it can benefit both intangible cultural heritage and also the tangible cultural heritage. When tourists arrive in certain locations, they're not interested in only the sites that they want to see, then they want to also interact with local people. They want to experience the local traditions, the local habits of people. So what happens is they tend to help people to preserve their intangible cultural heritage. In the current world of globalization, more and more people, they are looking forward to living the modern life. People show their intangible cultural heritage, and tourists, they encourage the local population to preserve it. And I think this is a very important sign that can help the cultural preservation.
Heritage or conservation and tourism, they are mutually beneficial to each other, because by preserving, safeguarding and restoring the sites, we attract more tourists. But also with tourism, then we will have enough financing and funding to do the maintenance of those important sites.
Cultural heritage project, which is quite important for tourism, I think embroidery. It's a part of life. The girls, they learn it from their childhood. They can express themselves. They can show what they would like to see, what they would like to have in their life. And this is, I think it should be included to heritage project of tourism.
It's really that exchange of the local people that you want to open yourself up to. Those are often the golden moments, all of the people that you meet along the way, or you wander off from your group and join them again back at the hotel with stories to tell.